Now start with part 3rd, chapter 1, electric charges and field, class 12 physics. First topic is electric field lines. Electric field lines is an imaginary straight or curved line. Like this straight or curved line along a unit positive charge is supported to move when free to do so in an electric field. First, electric lines of force due to a point charge. In point charge, we have first q greater than 0 and second less than 0. Here electric field in terms of vectors, size of arrow shows strength of electric field. एरो का साइज क्या शो करता है? स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस. मीन्स इफ there is a less space, there is electric field force is very strong. If there is less space, it is weaker. Electric field in terms of field lines, ये क्या है? Field lines की terms में है, and ये क्या है? In terms of field vector. Due to pair of equal and unlike charges, like form and dipole, where positive charge and negative charge. Here equal and like charges, we have two charges plus q. Like charges means same charges. Due to an uniform field, in uniform field we have positive charge, like charge we have 1 coulomb, electric field and negative charge. Here some properties. First is the lines are imaginary lines. Electric lines of force emanate from positive charge, means start होते हैं positive charge से and end होते हैं terminate on negative charge. Tangent gives the direction of the electric field at that point. Electric lines of force are closer when electric field is stronger. Closer होंगी, that means इधर क्या है हमारा electric field very strong. If lines are spread out, here spread out more space, then there is electric field is weaker. Now lines are perpendicular to the surface of a positively or negatively charged particle. We have positive charges and uniform field. They do not pass through a conductor. Interior of the conductor is free from the influence of the electric field. ये कोई हमारे पास कंडक्टर है, वो क्या है? फ्री है, इसके अंदर कोई भी फील्ड नहीं है, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन्स नॉट पास थ्रू अ कंडक्टर but they pass through the insulator. Now electric dipole. In electric dipole, 2 point charges of same magnitude and opposite nature, same magnitude but opposite nature, separated by a small distance, means 2 point charges like we have negative q and positive q, and opposite nature. Opposite nature means first is let minus q or positive q, but other second is different from it. Like first we have negative q, then second is we have positive q, separated by a small distance like 2l. All together and form an electric dipole. Here electric dipole moment. The strength of an electric dipole moment is measured by a vector quantity known as electric dipole moment P, which is the product of charge q and the separation between the charges 2l. So P is equals to q into 2l, and mode P is equals to q into 2l. SI unit is cm. Now electric field intensity due to an electric dipole. Electric dipole, we have 2 point charges minus q plus q, and O is the between the point where distance between them. Now from minus q to O we have L, and my O to plus q we have another L, separation between them. Point A, point B, P, where EA and EB, where EP is equals to EB minus EA. Okay, P is for electric dipole. Now at a point on an axial line, in axial line resultant electric field intensity at point P is EP is equals to EA plus EB. Therefore the vectors EA and EB, EA and EB are collinear and opposite. Collinear and opposite each other. Therefore, EP equals to mod EB minus EA arrow. Therefore, EA is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by x plus L square I vector. Similarly, for EB, we have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by x minus L square I vector, and for EP mode we have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught taking common, then we have x plus L square and x minus L square. Okay, sorry, x minus L Q divided by x minus L square and x plus L square. Therefore, E mod is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L into x divided by x minus L square का whole square, where EP mod equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2px divided by x square minus L square whole square, and EP 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2px x square minus L square into square I vector mod हटाने पर. Now if we have L is less than x, then the EP is approximate 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught x की power cube. The direction of electric field intensity at a point on axial line due to dipole is always the direction of dipole moment. Direction of dipole moment. And for equatorial, in equatorial, resultant field intensity at point Q is EQ is equals to EA plus EB, and two vectors EA and BE are EA and EB are acting at an angle to theta. Therefore, we have EA arrow 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q x square plus L square I vector. Similarly, for B 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q x square plus L square I vector. Both are same. Therefore, EA sin theta and EB sin theta are opposite to each other. EA sin theta and EB sin theta opposite to each other. Hence cancel out. ये हमारे पास EA sin theta and EB sin theta opposite to each other, therefore they are cancel out. So EA cos theta and EB cos theta acting through the same direction. EA cos theta and EB cos theta क्या है, सेम डायरेक्शन में, तो इनके ये क्या हो जाएंगे, ये ऐड हो जाएंगे. ये क्या है, निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में हमारे पास, तो ये क्या होंगे, कैंसल आउट हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो आफ्टर एडिंग EA cos theta and EB cos theta, we have EQ is equals to EA cos theta plus EB cos theta EQ equals to 4 pi epsilon naught Q x square plus L square L divided by x square plus L square 1 by 2. So EQ equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. After solving we get x square plus L square 3 by 2. Okay, so EQ arrow equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P divided by x square plus L square 3 by 2 minus I. Okay, so if L is less than y, then we have E approximate P by 4 pi epsilon naught y cube. Okay, direction of electric field intensity at point equatorial due to dipole is parallel and opposite to the direction of opposite to the direction of dipole moment. Okay, now for torque on an electric dipole uniform field, we have electric field N plus Q minus Q, QE, here QE, dipole moment P, separation between them 2L, angle theta. Then forces are acting along different lines acting and constitute couple, hence dipole will rotate and experience torque. Torque basically होता क्या है? Torque is equals to electric force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance torque represented by tau, then QE into 2L sin theta. 2L sin theta perpendicular distance. So QE is equals to P होता है PE sin theta. Therefore tau is equals to P into E. Direction of torque is perpendicular and plane containing P and E. SI unit क्या होती है? SI unit is Newton meter. And some cases we have, if theta is equals to 0, then tau is equals to 0. If theta is equals to 90 degree, tau is equals to PE, maximum value होती है. If theta is equals to 180 degree, then tau is equals to 0. Okay.